How to fix if shortcuts icon are missing in Google Chrome. So if the shortcut icons are missing in the Google Chrome, then first you need to open up your Google Chrome. Once you open up your Google Chrome, now if you don't have the shortcuts right here, then you just need to simply go with the new tab option, which is here on the right side, upper right side. Go with the new tab and you will find the shortcuts. But if you don't have that, then you can go with add a shortcut option, and then you can add the name of the shortcut and the URL. For example, I'll be writing Facebook, and then under the URL, you just need to simply enter facebook.com, and you can also simply copy and paste the URL and go with done. Once you go with done, now the Facebook shortcut will be added. So here you will have the Facebook shortcut, which I have just added. If you click on it, then it will directly take you to the facebook.com. And even after that, if you're not being able to have the shortcuts, then what you need to do is simply go with the bottom right, which has the customize Chrome option. Under customize Chrome, you just need to simply scroll down, and here you will have shortcuts option, right? So make sure that you've toggled on the option, because if you've toggled it off, then you won't have the shortcuts option. So you just need to simply toggle it on and you will have the shortcut. So that's it. That's how you can fix if shortcuts icons are missing in your Google Chrome. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.